Hello everyone, I'm here to show you how to install an extended slide lock on a Glock. Got a nice little rhyme there. Whatever. It's nice and simple, alright? Well, to know what an extended slide lock is you see these little right here? How you could barely grab it, alright? Well, let me show you something before anything. Nice and safe, nothing in there. Alright, well, and then you do that, and then a little bit, and it comes right off like that. Okay, but to make your life a little bit easier, you're going to change that little piece. All right, all you will need is right there a nice rounded little pin there, and you just push down on that right there. You see it? And boom, it just comes right out the side right there. Boop, that's it. That's it. Then you get your extended one. Yeah, I know, that whole box just for this. The ridged side goes to the back. Front is nice and smooth. Alright? Okay, and it's pretty much the same thing. Just go like this, push down on that spring that you feel down there. And like I said, look, it's one-handed operation. Boom. Just let me go. Oh, sorry, because it's going to land on that ridge that's right there. That spring that's there, that's going to land on that. Okay, so before anything, it just goes in at an angle, and boom, look at that. And you feel it. It just like lands right on it. Lands right on it. You see that? Boom. And that's pretty much it. It's installed. And now it's got teeth. Oh, look at that. Wasn't able to do that before. Because this gets all smoothed out from use and everything like that. God knows what they did with it. There's barely any teeth on there to actually grip. You know? And you run into a malfunction, you have to take it apart. You don't want to be fumbling around in there. So, yeah, there you go. From the Glock store and everything like that. Now, this slide lock, depending on which model. This 21 right here, 45 cal. Alright, man, that's it. You pretty much just install the way you regularly install it. Just go on the slide down there and just boom. That's it. Done. And boom. Just go a little bit and boom. Comes right off. You're welcome. Thank you for watching.